ChatGPT took the world by storm once got unveiled back in November last year, and since then OpenAI, the company who acts as the brains behind the AI model, has been updating it with new features and abilities. In new development to make it easier to access, OpenAI has released the ChatGPT app for Android after unveiling it for iOS 2 months back. My name is Maddie, and in this video I want to show you how to download official ChatGPT app from Play Store and how to use it step by step. Let's start. Like all the videos, I put the download link for you in the description, so open Play Store. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit enter. Look for the official ChatGPT app developed by OpenAI. Ensure that it has good ratings and reviews. Download and install this application. Great, now let me show you how to work with this amazing app. Open the application. So there are 4 steps to enter the application. You can log in with your Apple ID, with your Google account, or if you already have an account, tap on login here. But if you just want to create an account, select sign up with email. It's very simple and you need just to enter your email address and create your password. Now suppose that I have already created my account and I want to enter it. All I have to do is tap on login here. In this step I have to enter my email address. After that select continue. Then enter your password and select continue again. Here ChatGPT gives us a series of information about the term of use of the app. For example, ChatGPT may provide inaccurate information about people, places, or facts. Well, let's go to the next step. Select continue. Now let's see how to work with it, and I want to show you some important points. For example, I want to ask this app about Canada. All I have to do is type it here. Tell me about Canada. Also, if you want to delete searches you made, tap on more button here. After that, select history, and finally delete it. If you like the working space of the app to be dark, just tap on more again. Then select settings. After that, go to color scheme section and change it to dark. Don't forget, for the last results, select the language you mainly speak. If it's not listed, it may still be supported via auto detection. Also, if you want to exit this app, just tap on sign out here. Be mindful of privacy and avoid sharing sensitive information with the AI. The app is designed to respect your privacy, but exercising caution is essential. Also, periodically check for app updates in the Play Store to ensure you have the latest features and security enhancements. In conclusion, ChatGPT on Android is an incredible AI-powered app that can assist you in various ways. From answering questions to sparking creative ideas, you effectively use ChatGPT on your Android device and use the potential of this AI chat application in your daily life. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe to our channel so you can find a host of clear features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.